I've gone back to the Wagwan tours. We're here in Fuengirola. We're just on the promenade at the moment next to the beach. You can see it behind me. People are doing their workouts. But yeah, it's a lovely sunny day. It's got to be about 20 degrees already. It's just coming up for, what time is it? 20 past? Coming out for 20 past 10. So yeah, lovely day. I'll show you. Wagwan, you guys know the vibe. So yeah, just outside Hotel Puerto. So the ale shop, ale hop. People just come down to the beach now. Everything's just getting a bit warmer now, so everyone's just coming out. What we do is take a walk down here quickly, see if we can pick up any prices. And yeah, let's see what the cheapest prices are down here. There's a fish and chip shop down there. We came to it before. It's actually, it's either this one or the Marbella one was really, really nice. What we got here? Coffee. 180 for a coffee. For an espresso, it's not too bad. 180. Not too bad at all. Not too bad at all. So yeah, you got your McDonald's, but you don't want to visit McDonald's when you're in Spain, do you? You know, I went to KFC last night. So, right, let's cross over actually, so that I can get the old prices for you guys. But yeah, look at the sea. Camper van getting in the way. We'll have a look in a minute. So a lot of construction work going on at the moment, getting ready for the season. This is very, very early season, so got a lot of building work going on. But it will be ready for you come summer. So yeah, this one's at no prices. Tiki bar. We came here when we first came here. Tiki bar. Had a drink in there. And you got Perla 2. Yeah, what a lovely day. Started off really cloudy actually today, and now it's just brightened up. Everyone's interested in the camera. I've never seen a big ND filter on a mobile phone before. It does, you know, you see it, you think to yourself, what is that camera? Never seen that phone before. This video phone case, oh look at that. That's quite good. $8.50, looks really nice. Let's check the prices. So cocktail, $6.50 for a smoothie. Get a bit closer for you guys. Not bad prices really, is it? Riviera Mare, not bad at all. And you get this one here, see? So the breakfasts look a little bit better than, we've got the tapas. See, the breakfasts look a little bit better than I've seen in other places. You get one sausage and stuff like that. The sausage looks a bit better on that one. Not a big fan of sausages really, if I'm honest. You've got Hollywood here. Hollywood pub. Yeah, it's a good time. Everyone's just coming out doing their jogging. There we go. Got prices here. There's a lasagna. You can see there. But yeah. not too bad prices. Everything on this side seems to be quite same price-wise as in food. $8.95 for a breakfast. Seems to be. But look at this, you've got a small breakfast here for $3.50. So this one's the cheapest so far. $3.50 for a breakfast. It's not too bad. And then you've got the full menu right there. But yeah, you've got the football on this one. Let's see where the screens are. It's not too bad, look at that. Is that fish and chips? $19.95. Hold on. Yeah, fish and chips for $19. It's a little bit expensive, isn't it? So you got India Gate here. Let's see the prices here again. All the drinks exactly the same. They've got the same posters as well. So yeah, you can see that. So lamb corner $13.95, curry vindaloo fowl $12.50. Not too bad. I mean, in the UK, I think we're actually spoilt for Indian cuisine. My local is called Spice World, and I get a what do I get? Lamb boona costs $7.50, and I mean it is rammed full of meat. You don't really worry for meat wise with that one. But yeah, again, like I said, all the prices are pretty much the same. A little bit longer. That's scoffs. Go. So here's the British side. That's the Spanish and the British. So yeah, let me know if you think it's cheap or not. $16.50 for scallops. This one's got the fresh fish. Here's some prices here. Seafood. Octopus $21.50. I don't really eat octopus. Yeah. I won't show you the other side of the road because I'll start a video and come back down that side. That's another bakery. There's about 4 of these bakeries along here. We came to this one as well, actually. Tahiti. We came here on our first visit. Did we? Maybe, maybe not. I can't remember. We talked 2 years ago. And you know how many places we've been since that last visit here. Loads. So you go English breakfast, $4.95. That's the cheapest so far. But as I said, look, 1 sausage, 1 egg. You know, you're not going to get the Grand Paella type of breakfast for that type of price. Here you go, you've got a menu as well, so we'll check out the price. Let's have a look what you got on there. It's not bad price. And again, another one here. So yeah, price is not too bad for mainland Spain. I know a lot of you guys who watch the videos, you're Tenerife, Canary people, so you're used to the dirt cheap Canarian style food. Mainland's a bit more expensive. Let me know if it's always been that way or compared to the Canaries, that is. Alright, let's get up here quickly. guys, yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Share the video to your family and friends that love coming to Spain. You know, they might want to have a little look. A lot of people thank me for these type of videos because they really want to see what the place is actually like, and with good cinema photography. So yeah, there's a little button that says hype as well nowadays. I don't really understand it. I don't really take much notice, but I guess I should start taking more notice. So what's this one? So it's sushi grill. Okay.
Por eso yo rechacé la cuenta, digo, no quiero.
Alright, so this one, I remember this one. Jamaica. So again, you got, oh, this one's got a bucket of beers for 10, which is not too bad. Not too bad at all. What I'm going to do, so I'm going to end the video there, guys. So once, thanks for watching. Remember to like the video, subscribe, and yeah, I'll catch you on the very next video.